What's going on, Garrett here. If you want to discover how to generate free traffic for affiliate marketing, you're in the right place. Now, inside this video, I'm going to reveal 3 incredibly powerful, totally free traffic strategies you can use today to start to generate traffic, leads, and even sales. Now, you can see on the screen right here that to date, I've been able to generate $20,178 just using a few of the free traffic strategies I'm about to reveal to you. Now, before I dive into this, I do want to share, I'm going to include another link directly below this video. When you click that link, you'll get taken to this page. Now, this is actually my good friend Zach Crawford's page. He has a free invitation for you to join his popular Facebook group. Inside of this Facebook group, and you can just click this button here and go ahead and join the group. Inside, he's going to be doing tons of free live coaching sessions. He's a 7-figure affiliate marketer, so he's going to reveal top strategies as far as traffic, leads, and sales. Just wanted to put that link there, so if you're interested in joining a community, you can go ahead and do that right now. But without further ado, let me go ahead and just jump right into the first traffic method, okay? So the first one is Twitter. Now, before you freak out, you're not going to need any followers. You're not going to need any big social media presence with this specific strategy. All you need is a simple Twitter account. Okay, now we're actually going to be using a totally free software with Twitter, with our profile, to start to get laser targeted buyer traffic. Okay, so what is this software? Well, if you've never heard of it, what you want to do is you want to go to Google or Yahoo or whatever search engine you're using, and you want to type in TweetDeck. Okay, and then you want to click that first link here, and that's going to take you to this page. Now, all you have to do is you just need to connect, okay, one of your Twitter accounts to this actual software. Okay, I've already done that. And now once we do that, okay, we want to click add column, and we want to go to search. Okay, now I already have one here. I'll clear that. Okay, but what we want to do is we want to actually go to this little search bar, and we want to think about what product we're promoting. Okay, so for the sake of this entire video, I'm going to pretend like I'm promoting an affiliate product that teaches people how to lose weight. Okay, so let's assume that's the product you're promoting as well. What we want to do is we want to think about what searches, what phrases would someone that wants to lose weight actually be typing in, right? What would they be thinking? So for example, I want to lose weight, right? That could be a phrase that someone would be thinking if they actually wanted information on losing weight and potentially buying our product. So what you can do with this TweetDeck is I can go to search Twitter, I can put in a quote sign right there, and I could say, I want to lose weight, okay? And then followed by a closed quote sign. That right there. Now, if I hit enter, okay, what this is going to do, this free software, which is mind-blowing, it's going to go through and it's going to show you every single account on Twitter, every single person that has actually said those exact words. So you can see Shanika, I want to lose weight, right? I want to lose weight. God, I can't stop myself from going on. I just am addicted. I want to lose weight. Okay, I want to lose weight, etc. Now, these are very recent, 45 minutes, 46 minutes. These people are literally laser targeted prospects that you can promote to, you can recommend your affiliate product to. And again, they're in the moment struggling, right? Our products are solutions to problems. And this person is literally struggling, an hour ago with their weight, and we can approach them. Now, what do we do once we find these people? All you want to do is you want to go here and you can actually reply directly to them. And you can say something like, hey, I'm sorry you feel that you want to lose weight, but I recently discovered a very effective solution that's been helping people lose weight fast. If you want some info, just reply and I'll be happy to share. If not, no big deal, okay? So that right there, you can literally just take that message, okay? And I can tweet it. And I can do this with a lot of people in a matter of seconds. And again, what's going to happen is they're going to see that and they're going to be like, hey, like, yeah, I am interested in losing weight. It's going to resonate. And then if they're open, which a lot of people will be, they'll reply. They'll say, yeah, like, please, like, share more information. And then all you have to do is reply with your affiliate link. Just say, hey, here's more information. Here's a course that I discovered. Check it out. It's been helping a ton of people. And then if you're promoting a high converting product, you're going to be able to make a lot of sales very easily, totally for free. Okay. Now you can change this quote. If you're doing, let's say, something else like, I want to make more money. Okay. It really does not matter. I want to I want to make more money so that money will not be one of my problems. You can literally, hey, I saw you want to make more money, right? The opportunities are endless, and you can go ahead and do this a few minutes a day to start to get tons of free traffic. Now, the next strategy I want to share with you in this incredibly simple step-by-step video is Instagram. Instagram is incredibly popular. Chances are you have an Instagram. If you don't, it takes a few minutes to create one for free. Now, what we want to do when we have an Instagram profile is the very first step is we want to actually put our affiliate link or the website we're promoting inside of our bio, okay? Because that's where we're going to lead people to start to get free traffic on Instagram. So I have it right here. This is my affiliate link. You could put yours in there. And then what we want to do is, again, we want to think about what niche or topic our product has to do with. So let's say, again, for the sake of this video, it's losing weight. Well, what I can do is I can type in, okay, a hashtag, and I can go lose weight. Okay, you just want to type in a few words that have to do with the topic of the product. And then I can just search that. Okay, so what's going to happen is people's photos are going to appear here, right? Some of these are the most popular, some of them are recent, okay? And what happens is these people tag their photo with lose weight, okay, with that hashtag. So if I open this up, you're going to see they used a lot of different hashtags, right? And this person, okay, has likes. People have liked their post, okay? Now, I know that if people have liked a photo that has to do with fitness, chances are these people are also interested in fitness or losing weight, right? So what I would do with this strategy is, first off, you want to start following people that have liked a photo with a certain hashtag related to your product. Because what happens is when you go to follow these people, and I wouldn't do too many, I would do maybe 30 a day, okay? Because you want to go slow. You don't want to overdo the limits on Instagram. But what happens is when you follow people, a lot of people, if your profile looks relatively attractive, okay, you have a decent photo, a lot of people are going to follow you back, okay? So you're going to start getting targeted followers. Now, you don't need a massive amount of followers for this method. You just need, a dozen to start the ball rolling. So you're going to do this. You're going to get people following you back. Now, what's the next step? Okay, the next step is on our profile, we're going to start posting content. Okay, we're going to start posting photos. Now, there's two main types of photos I recommend you do with Instagram affiliate marketing and wanting free traffic. The first is value. Okay, now what does that mean? Tips, inspiration, anything valuable, excuse me, anything valuable to the person watching that that account, right? The people following that account. So because this has to do with health and fitness, weight loss, what I can do to find value or quotes is simply go to Google Images, okay, and I can type in weight loss quotes. Or if I was in another niche, okay, make money quotes or Forex quotes or kickboxing quotes. It doesn't matter. But what happens is I'm going to get a lot of quotes. And then what I can do is I can literally just open this up. I can save this to my computer or my phone, and then I can upload this as a post. Okay? And what happens is because our followers are very targeted, they already have shown they like fitness and losing weight, a lot of people are going to start liking our posts. Okay? And that's going to start to get engagement. Now, there's one other type of post you want to do because this is how we're going to start making money. As you start posting quotes, inspiration, tips, you're going to start to get engagement. Now, once you get engagement, now we want to take those engaged people and we want to promote our product. We want to recommend they check out our link. So how do we do that? The other type of photo you want to post is results or proof or testimonials. So for weight loss, we can just go back to Google Images and I can type in before and after weight loss, okay? Because these are result photos when it comes to losing weight. Now, again, if you're in a different niche, you can do make money results or Forex results, and you'll start seeing proof, okay? Or if your affiliate product that you're promoting has a good sales page, you can get testimonials from that sales page. Now, let's say, this one right here, right? I could save this and I can post this to my Instagram, okay? And then what you want to do in the posts where you share a result on Instagram, in the caption, okay, which is just right here, what you want to do is you want to say, hey, this is an amazing result. If you want to learn how to get similar results, click the link in my bio, okay? And what happens is you will start getting people to actually go to your bio and click your link, therefore getting a massive amount of free traffic to your affiliate links, okay? So again, with Instagram, we put our link in our bio, we start following targeted people, they start following us back, we start posting engaging posts to get our engagement up, and then every other day or so, we start sharing results, telling people to go to our link for more information. That formula works incredibly well, and when you start applying it, you're going to start to be getting incredible results. And the last free traffic strategy I want to share in this specific video, I have a lot of other videos covering more methods, is TikTok, okay? Now, TikTok is very powerful. Now, a lot of people, they don't want to put their face on camera, but really it's not that big of a deal. I mean, if you're okay to just show, even just your simple smartphone, record a 15-second video, you can start getting massive amounts of free traffic. Now, how do we create videos on TikTok? What's the strategy? Well, what you want to do, I highly recommend you don't just randomly create videos. You want to model, okay, other videos that have worked. So what you can do is I can type in a few words that have to do with the niche, okay? So I could do, let's say, weight loss tips, okay? Or you could do make money online tips, Forex tips. It's good to put in a word that has to do with the niche your product is in, followed by the word tips, because this is going to share with you actual accounts, okay, that have been doing this already. And if you go to a popular one, okay, like let's say this person, what you're going to see is they already have proven videos that have worked when it comes to weight loss, right? They already have proven content. So all you have to do is just create a simple TikTok account. If you can, put your affiliate link in your bio, okay? And then just start doing videos that have already worked for other people. So for example, see how you can see it has 19,000 views, 7,000 views. We want to look for the videos that got the most views, okay? So this one has 96,000 views, right? So I know that I could literally open this up, okay? Watch this video, see what she did in the video, right? What tips she actually gave. Okay, it looks like she's doing a before and after. Okay, so she's basically just sharing before and after photos. You could do the exact same thing, okay? Copy the tags, these hashtags, and post it, and chances are you're going to start getting views too because you already know it's been proven to work. And then in your bio, in your caption rather for the photo, you can every so often say, hey, if you want to discover how to lose weight, if you want to discover how to make more money, go to my bio and click that link, right? So you're getting people seeing free videos that you've made without spending a dime and then sending people right to your link in your bio, okay? So I really hope you learned a lot of value in this video. I really hope you enjoyed learning these 3 powerful free strategies. If you did, click the like button. Really helps me know to make more. Also subscribe with the bell icon so you're always notified. I'm going to be making way more videos. Also, again, go down below if you want to join this free Facebook group. Again, totally free, and you'll be in a community of other affiliate marketers sharing free strategies and training. And last but not least, I do want to share that if you don't have a product you're currently promoting, be sure to go to the very first link in the description. You can check out my #1 recommended affiliate marketing system. This is actually the one at the time of recording that I used in one of the income streams to generate over $20,000. So be sure to check out all the links below. And until my next video, my friend, I hope you got value, and I will see you very soon.